What do you call a group of unelected, unethical, power-hungry bureaucrats making policy decisions? In the United States, we call them the Federal Reserve.
The Fed is essentially a banking cartel, an unholy alliance of power-hungry financiers and corrupt politicians. In just a few decades, we went from being the world's largest creditor nation with a dollar backed by gold to the world's largest debtor nation with our dollar backed by IOUs.
Okay guys, noon, ang US dollar ay suportado ng kanilang gold reserves noong 1970 pa. Pero ngayon, kulang na yung gold reserve para sa worldwide circulation. Pero ngayon, ang US dollar supported na lang ng IOU. Ano ba yung IOU? An IOU is a signed or written agreement of utang.
The reason we have inflation is that the money supply is not pegged. The money supply is not pegged to something that takes human effort to produce.
Ayon sa video, merong inflation o pagbaba ng value ng pera dahil ang pera natin ay hindi naka-fix sa presyo o value na tayo mismong mga tao ang lumikha o gumawa. So kung iisipin ninyo, sa Pi community, ito ay katumbas ng KYC, mining for 6 to 7 years, tapos totoong mga tao ang nag-produce ng Pi coin digitally.
Too much easy money comes at a great cost, growing wealth concentration and the decimation of the middle class. Today, markets wait with bated breath to see what 7 unelected central bankers decide to do with the world's reserve currency and interest rates. And in the end, they always print. They have to now. It's just math and our debt is too high.
So kung mapapansin nyo guys, talagang naka-align si Pi Network na resolbahan ang lumalalang problema ng fiat system ng mga gobyerno sa buong mundo.